Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the MAXTRAX MKII recovery boards. These recovery traction boards have become the gold standard for those traveling into areas where they may encounter deep snow, sand, or mud. This can help that individual self-recover by using this board to regain traction and get them out of certain situations. So these are extremely tough boards constructed of glass reinforced nylon. There are some unique features to these particular boards where you have keyholes on the four corners that work with their pin sets, and those pin sets can be mounted to various roof rack or other racks designs in order to easily transport these boards. These boards also nest to each other for easy storage. Also, by nesting, they increase their strength, enabling certain situations that may allow for them to be used as a ramp. Potentially, they can also be used for leveling a vehicle in a camping situation. Now, on the screen behind us, we have all the other various accessories that are now offered through Rackattack, all the various recovery and mounting solutions that are available. So these boards come in this high-vis orange, but also 11 other colors. They come with a lifetime warranty. Also, they come with straps to recover the board if it does get stuck under the sand, snow, or mud. So let's take a look at these in action here in a snowy condition. Okay, so the MAXTRAX MKII recovery boards are available at rackattack.com along with all the various accessories that we're showing here on the screen. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about these particular products, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.